Hello everyone, just feeding this paddock. I went to show that paddock over there, but for some reason my fully charged battery was flat, so I had to change batteries. But just got to get into changing the hay and grain again. Oh, some poos. And they go through it all. Big hungry mouths. Righto. It's not too bad doing these buckets when I do about a dozen of them, because the height sort of just bring it to my body and allows me to do it with my little arms. Try and make the job as simple as possible. That's right, it's normally good when I park right alongside, but I kind of went a tad too far today, but that's all right. So you slide the biscuits off and bust them up. But this is what I was saying about biscuits, how it forms into like these slabs of hay with these square balers, because it like compresses the hay in packs it into a big bale, but obviously in lots of little slices. Makes it kind of good to feed out these types of bales for doing calves and that. If you got the big round bales, it's difficult to get sections of hay out of it, but these square bales work really good because you can get these sections of hay and just feed it out like in slabs, what I call biscuits. So it works really quite well. End up with a full trough of lovely fresh hay. When like look at the colour in that through that hay, it's just magnificent stuff. It's really good. It's a good thing about cereal hay, it's just beautiful. Some little baby oats, but that's why the oats haven't fully formed as seeds, because it's been mown when it was at its prime for nutrition, because otherwise if you let it go to seeds, then the plant itself doesn't hold its nutrition. And so this is specifically harvested for hay. Anyway, thank you very much for your viewing. Take care.